Welcome to the Cannes Yachting Festival and on board the all-new Brabus 1500 Shadow. I have Jan-Erik, the founder of Axopar and one of the pioneers in this Brabus Axopar collaboration. So what was the idea behind that and how has that blossomed into what we are seeing here?
I would say our collaboration with Brabus just started from two very passionate boaters. Two founders, two company owners that just want to create exquisite and distinguished and passionate products. What Brabus is doing in the automotive world, they are by far the world's leading supercar manufacturer, hands down. It's astounding what they've been doing in 45 years. So it's a legacy company and it's going to be pushing boundaries in the years to come. But now when it comes to the Brabus Marine, we launched the company and the collaboration in 2018. And it started more of a let's give it a try, let's see what it goes into. 7-8 years later, we are by far the most successful automotive and boating collaboration ever done. We've produced hundreds of Brabus boats that are seen all over the world with very distinctive clientele that wants the best products out there. Not only when it comes to details and finishing, but we're talking about drivability. So the typical client of a Shadow 1500 would be a super yacht owner. And the super yacht owner's own personal boat, because he may have a 100-meter, 50-meter yacht, which he's not even able to drive. This is where he takes his family out on his own adventures, enjoying a perfect day out.
What Brabus brings to the table here is just that, like you said, every little detail has been examined, has been thought about throughout to make this just the top-end superboat. And superboat, so you had this 1200 line of the Shadow. Wasn't that fast enough? But here we are sitting on a 1500. So yeah. Why the jump from the 1200 to the 1500?
There's always people that want more. This is the response to those that want more. And it's of course also to showcase the wide variety and capability of the Shadow hull. So we're capable of taking a 45-foot boat, safely and comfortably and confidently run the boat in cruising speeds above 45 knots. So that's the major differentiator of many of our clients buying the Shadow 1500 and 1200 as well, because that's also a very fast boat.
I'm excited to get this walkthrough started. Thank you so much for your time. Let's get this started. A few days ago, we were lucky enough to be on the stand here at the Axopar Brabus booth to witness the unveiling of this vessel. So this is the world premiere of the Brabus Shadow 1500. But I wanted to start back here because this is what it's all about. The Shadow 1500's mission is to be the fastest and most exclusive luxury tender on the market. So there are triple 500 racing Brabus Mercury outboards on the back. The Brabus Shadow 1500 is a high-performance luxury powerboat with a length overall of 45 feet, a beam of 13 feet 6 inches, and a draft of 3 feet 11 inches. She weighs in at 17,637 pounds. The whole area is a walk around, so I have easy access for maintenance. The transom features an easy on and off ladder. And this color is such a unique color in the market. I don't think I've ever seen anything like it. It is stealth green. You are always greeted with the functional storage for your fenders. They've elevated it by adding a summer kitchen in the aft area. So sink, grill, drop-in fridge, but you still have that fender storage down below. On top, they've added a cushion, so additional seating. They chose the aft cabin module for the world premiere, but there are several other options. The 1500 is one of the most modular boats from the Brabus Axopar team, with a variety of hardtop features, enclosures, galley, and cabin layout options. They've added grab handles and conveniently placed cup holders. Every single one of these decorative throw pillows is sewn in, so it's not going anywhere. What an amazing touch. And these ones serve double duty, so you can have them as a backrest sitting facing forward or as a pillow on the sun lounger. There's also a center galley with a sink. You can opt to put a grill here, or since you do have the galley in the aft section of the boat, I would go with more of a cooktop. There's refrigeration down below, and they provide a cushion that sits nicely there. One, to protect it, hide it away when you're not using it, and also to give a pretty cool spot to sit while you're underway. This is like a true luxury car feature, so that the passengers kind of know what's going on at the helm. And they're not just displays, they're touch screens. So you can choose what you want to display. So RPM, temperature, speed in knots, or the time. Seating for 8 around a fold-out table. And on both port and starboard are these fold-out platforms. They're equipped with cushions, so it really extends this whole seating area, easily seating 12 people for conversation and a great time out on the water. So you can enclose this entire space if the weather turns bad. So many times with these enclosures, they just hang here and look clunky, but there is a large recess up in here, so you can tuck it up and away and zip it closed, keeping those lines nice and sharp. Looking at the hardtop, it has such a striking look. Headlights, like a car, cross beams so that you can put bikes, you can obviously put paddle boards up there, and then that blacked out radar dome, forward-looking FLIR camera. Axopar was a pioneer with these gull-wing doors. When they first came out on the market, I do believe even I was skeptical about this idea. It's very unique, but talking to owners, they'll never have another boat without it. It's such a cool piece of functionality. Easy access from both sides, so you can see how you can really open it up and get a great airflow in this space. Rich wood, high quality leather, carbon fiber accents everywhere. On the port side, there is a well-appointed head. It is a wet head, but look how they've brought the diamond stitched upholstery in here. Again, just another example of how they've elevated the Brabus line. On the port side, right at the companionway, you can open up for storage and access to all the electrical switches. As far as accommodation spaces go on vessels of this size, if you want to sleep more than 2 people on board, all the cabin and accommodation spaces are forward underneath the cockpit. Axopar and Brabus have changed that with the aft cabin option. This is a large space. I'd say almost a king-size bed. As you can see, I can open up the hatch up above and look at that window. I mean, to be able to wake up with this view, have the stars up above, and still have my own head, this is a cool accommodation space. Coming into the Helm, I know they built this to feel more like you're in a luxury car. And looking around, you can absolutely tell. Carbon fiber everywhere. They brought the upholstery up onto the ceilings. And check out this steering wheel. So power, volume, mute, I can change songs. I have control of my trim tabs and my bow thruster. So everything that I need is right here on the Helm, but you still have the joystick, digital throttle controls easily at hand. Simrad displays all the way across, including down below. I mean, who needs 5 screens at the Helm, but who doesn't want 5 screens at the Helm? This is the suntop version of this vessel, and this is why. There are 2 opening sunshades. You can have access to those crossbars, so not only from the outside can you mount things, but if you want to come in and secure everything, you have easy access. If you need some shade, single push of a button and it closes. 3 across seating at the Helm, all with their own individual flip-up bolster, and these swivel so you can turn around and be part of the action. Another unique touch is this angled footrest with rubber grip. Now that forward slanting windshield has a couple of different purposes. One is to reduce glare. So that overhang is going to protect the dash area so that glare is not coming back on you. Additionally, it reduces the amount of heat that is hitting that dash and then transferring back to you as the operator.
She isn't just a boat, she's a statement. Built for those who crave the uncompromising fusion of extreme power and refined luxury. Every line, every detail has been meticulously crafted to deliver an on-water experience that is both exhilaratingly fast and flawlessly smooth.
They really have done a good job of bringing this boat from boat status to superboat status because, hey, life is always better on a boat.